Good morning, friends. I'm all set up for our 10 a.m. community zipper workshop. I wanted to show you some of the techniques that I'm going to be demoing for you today. This is a hands-on workshop, so I'm going to encourage you to play and try out these techniques as well. We're going to learn how to do this inseam zipper, which I will show you how you can convert that little sample into a fast zipper pouch using French seams. We are also going to learn how to do a welted zipper pocket the easy way. I am going to show you some of my very favorite ways to add zipper tabs and zipper ends to your zipper by the yard. We are going to have a little fun mixing and matching YKK zippers to create a one-of-a-kind look. I'm going to teach you how to make this absolutely darling tassel that will go on your donut hole zipper pulls. And then last but not least, I am going to demo for you a framed zipper technique that will allow you to add a zipper to a store-bought tote bag. So if that sounds fun to you, please hop on over to SewSpireStudio365.com. It is there that you will find the registration for the Zoom link. Again, this is a free community event. I have 70 seats left, so please do join us. I'll see you soon.